So hi guys, it's Shani from Yiannimize. You saw the previous video where the Bentley looked, we'll say it was peeling a little bit. However, the car is now ready to be wrapped perfectly. I hope you enjoy this video.
Stand back now.
Anyway, Bentley just started stripping it. First thing you notice, loads like look, the screws is different. And he's got some missing as well. And look, it's loose. The whole that actual bottom is pulling out as well, man. It's terrible, terrible. But we'll sort this out.
No screw. At all.
At all. It's just this. Yeah. I literally just pulled it. As you can see here, I mean, in the first place, whoever wrapped it before did not remove it because they've just wrapped over here. I mean, this badge is held on with 2 nuts and double-sided tape, but I mean, nothing was removed. Yeah. Look, even this has been butchered as well.
Rusty screw, you know.
Rusty, 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 rusty.
Yeah, no, I'm sturdy like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers money.
So, satin grey Merc. His old wheels have come off. Let's have a look at his new wheels. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? You liking these? It'll be interesting to see if they work with the colour of the car. But we're going to put them on and then we'll have a look. Brand new wheels sitting on what? P0s. Nice.
So I guess I gotta get it to the cemetery. Getting paid just for rapping is fun. I lit up around a month and February. Tottenham side, no electric.
Yes, so go, give me 10, 2.
Nah.
Alright, so we just fitted the front wheel. Things to look out for. Outside of the tyre size. It's 265 on the rears, 245s on the front.
Said it did it. Can't lie, I'm so paranoid and the windows tinted.
So we're doing them up by hand, making sure the wheel's nice and flat. And then we'll gun the wheel nuts on a low setting, and then they'll be taught to spin.
Copy all the looks, but I stay switching. Pick up the loop and hit the bank. Can never change. Still roll the change. Captain say the pay, they say the day.
I know that's gonna be the fun bit.
We've done it. No on the back stiff like that, it's heavy.
Friends turn to foes, haters tell them go away.
Hi guys, it's Mark here. As you can see, the Bentley is next to me. We managed to do 2 wings, bonnet, rear quarter, and we're doing this one now. This car was previously wrapped, the customer wasn't happy, so he came here to get a proper job. Yeah, as you can see before, this was all lipped in and now it's all tucked in. Heated properly so it doesn't shrink back. We went all the way in on the wing. Before they cut it, like they chew it. All the edges has clean cut, unlike before. Even if you look here, come Elliot. Elliot's gonna show you now. Like you won't notice it's wrapped. That's how good we are. I'm joking.
Yeah. This guy's proper Tottenham mad guy. You proper know about this guy, didn't you? You're a proper Tottenham groupie, ain't you? That's it. Spurs player. Spurs player.
Sweet, bro. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good luck for the future, yeah?
Thank you. Sweet,
Thank
you.
Not for your team. Cool, see you later.
So I just met Stephen Bergwijn, the man from the lane. And yeah, he's doing good, scores many goals against the likes of Man City, Manchester United, Champions League, on the volley, Bosh. That's what I'm talking about. Get them all here at Yiannimize. So yeah, it's a pleasure. Signed my Spurs bag, my faithful Spurs bag, had Sharpie in hand, as always, and had a nice photo of him as well. So yeah, overall been a good day.
Another player signing the wall, Tottenham. He's signing with his boys as well, the two Tottenham players above him.
Yeah.
Stay away from the Arsenal on the left side.
Don't call me a money pocket, engine get to rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket, yeah. I still love my baby even when
I'm Ed. I bought my car in for a full wrap, dark satin grey, because I think it sets it off so nicely. The result is it's amazing. I can't believe it. It's just stands out so much better. Got bigger wheels now, 19-inch rims. It's unbelievable, really. Absolutely unbelievable.
One thing you may get asked a lot is why those wheels on this car?
To be honest, I just think they look so good. Like it's just a little bit off the same colour as the wrap, and I just think it stands it out so much better. And I know people aren't gonna like it that much, but do you know what? Like it's just for me. I think it looks so good, so good, so much better.
Old wheels going. Where they going? In the muck. In the muck. Put them on the roof of the muck. No, he's bringing the truck.
Just leave it around here. I'm not putting them in there, not a chance.
No, I'm joking. Got it done with the wheels on.
Done.
I'm gonna let you go before we smoke out the place. See you later, yeah? Right, I'll see you in about 4 to 6 weeks, okay?
I'll be back.
Right, what's USP?
Unique selling point.
Okay. And what's a tangent not?
It's not a bike.
Okay. Don't ask.
In my head it is.
Thank you so much. My pleasure, man. My pleasure. Enjoy.
Sick.
I'll see you got your key.
Yeah.
Drive safely, and I'll see you for check-up.
See you later.
Take care. See you later. Love a happy customer. He's over the moon with his car. Back to work.
Hi guys, so as you can see behind me, this Bentley's now finished and ready for the customer to collect. So just going to go over a few things that we sorted out. When we got the car in and we stripped it down, there was actually no bolts holding this mirror on. Coming around to the front of the car, these were all these rings around the lights were all like bonded and taped on. The front bumper, there wasn't a single bolt holding this bumper on. It was literally just put in place and clipped in at the sides, so it could have come off at any time. We've now got all new bolts from Bentley, everything's back on properly, and it's all secure. Nothing's loose coming off. We actually found the parking sensors in the glove box. They wasn't even fitted on. We've fitted them all on properly, we've tested them, they're all working. There's no lights on the dashboard, so that's all good. You can see all along here is all laid properly, there's no lifting, there's no leaves there to hide anything. This front wing, again, it's all laid nicely, there's no edges, there's no lifting anywhere. You probably remember from the other video, all along here was all lifting up. It's all fitted nicely now, and it deserves its little Bentley badge. It didn't even have any badges on this wing, so we found the W12 badges, and you got the little 60-year anniversary badge there. We've put them back on where they're meant to go. So yeah, car looks original again now.
Yeah, guys.
So there it is. The nightmare Bentley, should we call it, is now complete. She's not peeling anywhere, she's not lifting. That is how a wrap is supposed to look. I have actually got the customer with me, so I'm going to bring him in. John, come in. So this is the owner, the poor owner initially.
Yeah, I'm a little bit embarrassed. Sorry, mate. Thank you very much. You saved my life.
When you picked up the car, that was the first day you picked it up, and obviously it came straight to us.
Absolutely.
Obviously you don't know about wraps, so you might have thought maybe that's how wraps look.
No, I didn't.
Okay, I was trying to play it down.
Yeah.
What did you think?
Well, it was just awful. I mean, it made me cry, to be honest. I was upset all night, and my future son-in-law phoned you up, and we got up here, and there was a waiting list, but you did it for you. I think you felt so sorry for me. You did it for me straight away.
Yeah, we
did. I'm so pleased.
So he picked up the car on the Thursday. He brought it to us on the Friday, and we literally booked you in on the Monday.
Yeah, you did.
Our wait list is usually 2 to 3 months. However, we rang an existing customer, Sammy Dahan. You know, we wrapped 1 million of his cars, and said, "Can I move you by a bit just to get this car in?" Because it was that bad. And obviously, you've seen the pictures, you've seen the videos. However, now she's gorgeous. It's just a shame it's not sunny, because obviously that is a sparkly white. So when the sun hits it, it will sparkle. But she looks great now. She looks like a brand new car. And this is why, guys, make sure when you wrap your car, you take it to a reputable. Make sure you take it to a reputable.
We got it.
Yeah, reputable.
Decent. Let me change the word. Cheers, Bert. So make sure, guys, when you wrap your car, you take it to a decent company, because that is what can happen. There is loads of good companies out there. It's not just us, but do your homework first. John didn't, however, he's got it right now, and he's going to enjoy his car for years to come. But I'm happy for you.
Thank you so much.
My absolute pleasure. My absolute pleasure. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up from myself and John. We'll see you soon. Take care.
All right.
Yeah, one take, John, not bad. Even though I couldn't say reputable. Oh, look, there you go. Look. There you go. Look at that. The camera, reputable. See, I can say it now. Love it.